morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about Windows 11. And yes, Windows 11 is out. It's being made available to a lot of people, and a lot of people are asking us questions as to why. Well, one of the main features is that they've released Windows 11 is to increase security. And I know we hear that all the time, increase security, increase security. Well, one of the things that they're actually doing is using what's called TPM, or Trusted Protection Module. And it's actually a hardware chip on your motherboards on a lot of the newer computers that then ties that computer into it's a trusted device, so that you know that that device at the hardware level is a trusted computer. And so it's a lot harder to get into those things, and it helps protect it that way. It just allows other things to take place, like Windows Hello, for example, biometrics. Instead of entering a password. I mean, like on my desktop I have a specific camera that allows me to do facial recognition instead of having to type in my password every time. There's a number of laptops that already have that out there as well. So it's allowing those pieces to become more readily available. So all in the name of security, I guess. I shouldn't even say I guess. I know, because it does do that. Now, there are some quirks with Windows 11 that are different than Windows 10, and I'll show you a couple of them. Like right here on the File Explorer, you got new menus. When you right-click on the particular item, these menus are a little bit different than what you're used to in Windows 10. If you want to switch them back, you can switch them back. It's not that big a deal. Also, the task bar, the menu bar, start bar is down at the bottom, is no longer on the left, it's right in the middle. So you can also adjust that as well. And I'll give you a link in this video so that you can go back and take a look at some of the other tips and tricks. If you want to change some of the ways it looks and feels and acts more like Windows 10 versus Windows 11, that's fine. Should you adopt Windows 11? Eventually you're going to need to get onto Windows 11. So the choice is yours, whether you do it all at once, whether you do it in stages, whether you do it in at the end and later on. But eventually you're going to have to do it, and if you can do it sooner than later and do it at your time schedule, that'll be a whole lot better. As far as any issues that we've seen, they've been relatively minor, if any at all. We've upgraded several of the PCs here in the office months ago, in fact, just to test it, make sure everything was working on it. Everything appears to be going good. Like I said, there were some minor issues, mostly with some older drivers or some very high-end sound drivers or video drivers, but other than that, everything seemed to run really smoothly. So if you guys have any questions or want us to help you get through this, please let us know. Here at 303 Tech, we like to keep you simply connected. Thank you.